Yo, what's good? We're back testing again. Day 18 of back testing every day until unprofitable. We are doing January 2021 right now, and these were the analytics from yesterday. We took one trade. I made 1.2k. Yeah, it was pretty uneventful week, of course, because it is the first week of the year, so can't be expecting much. But let's see what we get this week. Alright. Trading near all-time highs again. We're looking bearish. Yeah, this previous day low right here. This. Yeah, this low, I like this low a lot here. This low looks good too. And this. And yes, it's really close to it, so let me say fuck this low. Let's see. Yeah, looks like we're nearing this 4 hour. Could probably get longs off that. Yep. Looks like we have a 5 minute. Or resweep would be hella good here. Damn, we just edged the low. Okay. And ES is just super high up now. Okay, this looks decent. Okay, yeah, we have an unfilled 5 minute here. And we have equal lows here. And we're just facing off the 1 hour too. Yeah, and you have an internal SMT here too. I like the setup, to be honest. Yeah, this looks pretty good. When ES takes out this low, I'll go break even. Damn. Why did this lose? Mm, what did I just do? Bro, what? I guess the draw was just wrong. Maybe I should have just gone break even when NQ hit the low. I mean, we do eventually hit it, but hmm, 10 a.m. open higher. 10:15 manipulates. I guess maybe I should have just gone break even at the internal low. Yeah, so you set this 4-hour low. Yeah, looks good with the 1 hour. Yeah, longs look good here. And we get a 5-minute pullback. Take a long. Yeah, with all this LR here. Let's see. What is this candle close? I'll wait for like a little bit more of a bullish like sign. Yeah, and it's just 30-second. Dude, yeah. This is kind of like a shit IFVG. Hmm. And we just sell off. Sell off from these equal highs. Okay. We resweep the low. Um, we're just not delivering off anything, bro. That's the problem here. See what happens. And we get the 5-minute, but it just gets inversed. And FX replay doesn't want to let me skip. Yeah, they're just like there just isn't an entry here. I guess off like the 4-minute, but I'm not taking a 4-minute, yeah. Yeah. Okay, no entry on Tuesday. There was one entry, but I faded it just because it was kind of a weak IFVG closure. Okay, we have this 1 hour here. See if we had like a 5-minute or resweep of this low, we could take a long, or we'll just hit that hourly instantly. Okay, that is just beautiful, bro. Fill the 15-minute. Now we inversed it instead. Yeah, maybe we get a resweep with this high and then we go lower. Okay. We still have these draws intact from yesterday. So we could maybe get a continuation off of this. Yeah. We don't have an SMT there either. Let's see. Nah. Like literally what am I watching right now? Okay, we do have an SMT at this low. Okay, and we inverse the 5-minute. I'm gonna take this because we have an SMT here. And we have an SMT in the 15-minute. Let's see what we get here. And ES took the internal high before NQ. We'll go break even here. We should just send now. Yep. Yeah, this is just a simple cont long with the SMT at the low. Super choppy, of course, because every fucking 5 minutes it's just like that. Now we're else on to Thursday. Let me get some fucking water. Hold up. Alright. Yeah, we're directing hard off this daily gap. We tap into this 4 hour, then inverse this gap here. And we're gonna tap into this 1 hour most likely. We could see shorts here, to be honest, to this 15-minute low. Okay. D 988, 715. Damn, no inverse. If you get this 3-minute inverse, we could see a short. Mm, It's just super choppy. Yeah, it would have been a break even if I did decide to take that. We just literally are working with nothing here. Okay, we could get a short here. Nope. This has to be like a bank holiday. Yeah, this looks like a bank holiday. What am I watching, dude? Yeah, just no trades. Literally just no trades. Yeah, there's no trades here. I'm not taking a long off this. Is there an entry here? I guess off this 30-second there was an entry, but it probably would have just been break even, but I'm like, yeah, this is a bank holiday, bro. This has to be a bank holiday. Okay, on to the next. This daily low here, and this 4-hour unmitigated. We're bouncing off an hourly here too. We do have equal lows below us. Yeah, this could be good for longs if ES sweeps this low, but even then I don't think we need to because NQ is already in the spot to distribute. Okay, NQ opens higher. Taps into the, what was that, the 4-hour? Yep. Okay. Damn, bro, I like this. We have a SMT at the high. We don't really have much here. I want to take this early, bro. I can't even lie, even though we don't have an inverse. I want to take this off this 1 minute, or off this 30-second CISD, and go break even there. But there isn't, like, all of our targets just low resistance and what? Oh, this 15-minute low. Mm, damn, I'm not gonna take this. I really like this rejection though with the SMT. It's super good. There was a 4-minute here, so let's see if we can get this. Yeah, that trade would have probably been a break even. Or no, it would have been a break even. Let's see if FX replay wants to let me skip. Nah, just a low inverse. And we have low resistance at the stop. We could get good longs here. Yeah, nah. Yeah, if you take out these equal lows, you could get good longs. Mm. Swept this 4-hour low. What the fuck is that? Swept this 4-hour low. 50-minute above. The inverse of 5, 2. Mm. The RR is just gonna be so chopped here. Yeah, I mean, this probably just ends up being a break-even trade. Let's see what price does. Go break even at that 15 minute. Oh, fuck. I didn't even see us hit it. Hold on, let me just fucking replay this. It's gonna be a break-even trade. My god, no, that shit was not locked in, bro. Okay, there, yes, takes it. This is just a pretty, what the fuck? Hold on. This is a pretty midweek, can't even lie. There wasn't much setups here. Yeah. There really just wasn't much setups here. This CSD trade that I wanted was probably the only good one, but this is way super discretionary. Would have probably, yeah, it would have been break even for sure because I would have gone breaking at this 4 minute. But other than that, there just isn't any. Maybe off this. Nah, even then, not really. Probably short opportunity here. Then there's equal lows at the stop. Yeah, pretty midweek. Pretty midweek. Let me check the stats. And yeah, I'm break even on the week, up like a cent. See what the analytics are looking like. Yeah, literally made nothing. Midweek, break even week. Not really much to say there, to be honest. Yeah. Took 3 trades, one break even, one win, one loss. Pretty midday. And that's the end of the video. I'll be back tomorrow testing again. See you boys later.